If you are manually clicking through the Zendesk UI every time you need to update a trigger, that stops today. This guide shows you how to create and update Zendesk triggers programmatically, from your first API token all the way to bulk operations at scale. Every Zendesk trigger follows a simple if-then pattern. Conditions define when a trigger fires, and actions define what happens next. Conditions in the if is before your first API call, make sure you have admin access to generate tokens and manage triggers. You will also need an HTTP tool like curl or Postman and a basic understanding of JSON payloads. Head to Admin Center, then Apps and Integrations, then APIs, then Zendesk API. Enable token access, click Add API token, and copy it immediately. It will never be shown again. Authentication uses your email address combined with the token using a /token : format. This is the API settings page inside Admin Center. You can hold up to 256 active tokens per account. Use separate tokens for development, staging, and production to keep your environments isolated and secure. Send a post request to triage API ev2 triggers with your trigger title, conditions, and actions in the JSON body. In this example, the trigger fires when a new ticket contains the word. This is where most developers make mistakes. The pot endpoint replaces the entire trigger configuration. If you send only the fields you want to change, you will delete everything else. The safe pattern is fetch the existing trigger, modify what you need, then put the complete object back. This is what the conditions and actions look like in the Zendesk UI. Every field, operator, and value you see here maps directly to the JSON you send through the API. Post to create, put to replace the full configuration. When managing triggers at scale, individual API calls get slow fast. Put to triage API v2 assertion triggers as update. Many lets you reorder positions, toggle active status, or reassign categories for multiple triggers in a single request. Bulk updates process asynchronously and return a job status you can poll. Here are 4 trigger patterns you can deploy right away. Auto-assign incidents to your L3 team. Escalate high-priority tickets that have been open too long. Notify managers instantly on new VIP tickets. And push solved ticket data to your CRM via webhook. Know your HTTP status codes before you start. 400 means your JSON has a syntax error. 401 means your token is wrong. 404 means the trigger ID does not exist. 422 means a condition or action field is invalid. Check the Zendesk reference docs. And 429 means you have hit the 700 requests per minute rate limit. Back off and retry. Triggers work well for simple rule-based routing, but they cannot understand context, sentiment, or what a customer actually means. Eesel AI connects to Zendesk with one click and lets you set automation rules in plain English. It reads tickets the way a human would and resolves them autonomously from day one. Ready to go beyond rigid trigger chains? Try eesel AI free for 7 days. No credit card required. Visit eesel.ai to get started.